in the Capcut, first you have to add a background, just like this, and also the audio, the part where you want to add these type of clones, and also the aspect ratio to 16:9. And after that, what you have to do, you have to add any overlay. If you want to add any cutout, you can also add that, but I'm using a green screen animation over here. Then we will move its green screen by using the Chrome key and setting the intensity and shadow according to the clip. Now it depends on you how you want to make clones. You can make clones of some simple cutouts, and you can also make clones of these type of green animation. But this animations takes a little bit more complexity. You also have to add some CC to it. This is some CC according to the clips. And then what you have to do, you have to come on this beat, like the first beat right over here. And over here you have to adjust your character at the part where you want it to be. Over here it should be in the center, so we can get the zoom in on this character at the first. Now for the starting, what you have to do, you have to rotate it and drag it downside, so we can get down to a foot rotation movement, okay? So after that, what you have to do, you have to make a copy of it, like this, and drag it just right under it, and after dragging it right under, you have to go on the same bit, split it, and do it this part, and then you have to set the layer of it. So for that, we have to go and click on this overlay, go into the layer, and set the layer to 1. Okay, after setting the layer to 1, go to the next beat, like the second beat. Over here, drag this character to the right side and shrink it like this, so we can get this as a clone of it. Then make a copy of it, drag it downside, adjust it properly. And after adjusting it, you have to set its layer. So we'll go into the layer, set the layer to 1. Then you have to make sure that the layer accurately arrange, spread this part, and again recheck that the layer is on the 1. Now after that, go to the next beat, and over here, add a keyframe, and shrink it and drag it to the right side like this, so we can get our clone, the behind. Then make a copy of it, drag it downside. After dragging it downside, split it from the keyframe and delete this part. Then go to the ending and set the layer to 1. Then go to the endings and reduce the scale and drag it to right side like this, so we can get our clones like something like this. So after that, we have to add drafts. So over here, I'm using a without draft. Make sure to use the similar, but if you want to use a different type of graph, you can also use that. And after adding these graphs, what you have to do, we have to add effects on our clones, which the block, which shows some blocks or something like that. For that, we will go into the video effects, and over here we'll search blue mosaic effect. And you can see over here, we are getting this blue mosaic effect. And add this effect, adjust the duration of it. And after adjusting the duration, set the object to the overlay, so which will be our clone. Then set the filter to 0, size and texture to 100. So we can get those lines on our character. Then make one more copy, change the object of this to the next clone, and one more copy, change the object of this to the next clone. And then adjust the duration of this effect according to the clip that we have and our background, like the overlays we have. So after adjusting these, we have to add aura if you want to add it. So for that, we have to copy every single overlay and drag it downside like this. One by one, make copy, drag it downside, adjust it, make a copy, drag it downside, adjust it, one more copy, drag it downside, and then adjust it. After adjusting this, we have to set the layer of these clips so they can get this layer behind. So the reason behind adjusting the layer is that our clip should be at the behind, so that we can give aura to them. So the first one will be 1, the second overlay will be the 2, layer 2, third one will be layer 3, go to the layer, click on 3, and the last fourth one will be in the first, okay? So this will provide you a sequence of our clips. Then what you have to do, you have to go back to the video effects, and over here we will add aura to it. So for that, I'm using just simple basic aura, which will be done by JVC effect. To search JVC effect and add this JVC effect like this over here. Then set the color to 0, intensity and filter to 100. Then adjust it like this. Then set its object to the overlay that we have in the behind and make 2 copies. So we have 3 JVCs on one single clip. Now make 1 more copy, change the object of this, make 2 copies of that. Now we have to make sure that we have 3 JVC effects on one overlay. Then after completing your effects and setting the object to the clips, you have to check out your clips, and if you are satisfied by them, you can just export it. And after exporting it, you have 1 more thing to do. So for that, we'll bring back the exported video. As you can see, I have added the exported video again, and the aspect ratio I'm using here is 3:4. You can use 9:16 if you want, but I would recommend you should do 3:4. Then go on to the first beat over here, and what you have to do, you have to zoom in, scale out the clip, and make sure that your character is in the center. So it depends on you which type of overlay or cutout are you using and where your cutout is. Then go to the starting, rotate it a little bit on the right side, then scale out and adjust it like this, but we can get the zoom out with rotation effect. So make sure you adjust it properly and check it out like this. But I don't think this is good, so I will just zoom in a little bit more. Then our clip will be ready. So after, make sure that the clip's movements are according what you have imagined in your edit. Then go to the next beat, and in the next beat you have to zoom in on the clone, which is coming right behind of the main character, like this. And for the rest of the both clips, you have to do the similar thing. Go to the next beat. Now, on the next beat, you have to zoom in on the next clone that is coming behind of another clone, like this. And then, after adjusting this, there is 1 more clone which is at the ending. So for the ending, we will again zoom in on the last clone, which is coming right at the end or right at the behind of it. After that, you can see that we are getting our movements throughout the keyframes. Then we will add graphs over here. So again, make sure that you use ease out graph. Now, 1 more thing is that you might have understand that the beats were similar when we are making the clip, and then when we were adding the keyframes over here, all the clips were similar. Okay? So after this, your video is completed, and I hope you guys will try these type of clones into your edits, and I hope you guys have learned something new. Till then, we'll meet in the next video, and peace out.